If you're entering your PIN in public, watch out. There's a sneaky way strangers can steal it. And here's how I stopped them cold. I was in a crowded cafe paying through UPI when I noticed the guy behind me tilting his head towards my screen. I did that awkward hand shield, but let's be honest, if someone's determined, they can still catch a glimpse. It's not just your PIN, your phone unlock code, banking apps, even private messages can be exposed with a simple side glance. That's when I decided to try a privacy screen protector, clear from the front but dark from the sides. I ordered one from Amazon for Rs 250 from a brand called Open Tech. When it arrived, the box looked quite premium. The front read, Screen Protector Pro Plus, 9H hardness, anti-shock, waterproof, scratch resistant, smooth touch. Still, no mention of privacy until I spotted a small sticker on the side. Privacy tempered glass. Getting inside was its own little challenge. Both ends were sealed with tape and the inner box was wedged in tightly. I had to pull it out with some force. But that tight fit meant nothing inside could rattle around or get damaged. Inside the branded box, a gratitude card from the company, a cleaning kit neatly packed in a pouch, the tempered glass wrapped first in a foam sheet and then in a foam sleeve for extra protection. Taking it out, I could see the subtle privacy tint when I held it against the light. The edges were smooth and rounded with a 2.5D curve, no sharp corners. The cutouts for the front camera and speaker were clean and precise. I placed it over my iPhone 14, perfect fit. Opening the cleaning kit, here's what I found. A microfiber cloth, an alcohol pad, and a dust absorber sticker sheet, along with some guide stickers. Here's how I prepped the phone. Alcohol pad. I tore it open, unfolded it, and gave the screen a thorough cleaning to remove grease, fingerprints, and any stubborn marks. Then I used the microfiber to wipe away moisture and polish the surface until it was spotless. Then I used the dust absorber sticker, tapped it across the entire screen to lift any tiny particles that could cause bubbles. Under the light, the screen did not look factory fresh. In fact, there were minor scratches because I never used a screen protector before. I used the guide sticker hinge method for perfect alignment. So I placed two guide stickers along the left side of the glass creating a hinge so I could lift and lower it without losing position. I peeled off the protective film from the adhesive side, lowered the glass slowly, letting it attach in the center first, then spread outward. Pressed gently from the middle towards the edges to push out air bubbles. Zero bubbles. And after a quick press along the edges, Face ID worked like normal. That was a huge relief. Straight on at full brightness, perfectly clear. Tilt even slightly, screen turns dark. Compared to an iPhone 15 without the glass, my 14 blacked out from the side while the 15 stayed fully visible. And if you lower the brightness to around 60% and snoopers, they have zero chance. For 250 rupees, it's a win. Slight dimming from the side is a small price to pay for keeping strangers out of your business, especially when making payments or handling sensitive info in public. I'll leave the link below, try it, and next time someone leans in, all they will see is a blank screen.